Good morning, students. Last week we discussed about atmosphere. Before I get into the lesson, I am going to ask few questions from this lesson. Question number 1. Can we see air? No, we cannot see air, but we can feel it. Question number 2. Why can't we see the stars during daytime? Yes, we cannot see the stars during daytime because the brightness of the sun hides the stars. Today, we are going to learn about different types of wind. Air is found everywhere around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. What is wind? Yes, moving air is called wind. All living things need air to live. We breathe air. Air never moves in one direction. It differs from place to place and time to time. This is due to the rotation of the earth. The air, which moves horizontally from high pressure to low pressure area, is called wind. The instrument used to measure the direction of wind is wind vane. The instrument used to measure the speed of the wind is anemometer. When the temperature increases, pressure decreases, and when the temperature decreases, pressure increases. Wind energy. Wind energy is a form of renewable energy. Wind turbines converts the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. A generator can convert mechanical energy into electricity. Children, now we are going to see about low wind. What is low wind? Yes, the low is a strong, dusty, hot, and dry summer wind from the west which blows over of northwestern India. It is especially strong in the month of May and June. Due to heat, very high temperature exposure to it often leads to fatal heat strokes. Children, now we are going to see about planetary wind. What is planetary wind? Yes, these winds move in the same direction throughout the year with the rotation of the earth. Monsoon wind. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic term mausim. It means season. There are two types of winds: southwest monsoon winds, northeast monsoon winds. Children, now we are going to see about breeze. What is breeze? Wind moving gently is called breeze. Sea breeze. It blows from sea to land during the evening. It is called sea breeze. What is land breeze? It blows from land to sea in the morning. It is called land breeze. Local wind affects the weather. Children, now we are going to see about jet streams. Air currents in the upper layer of atmosphere is known as jet streams. It could determine the arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. Cyclone. What is cyclone? It changes its position and direction with time to time. The speed of winds also changes with time. It gives very heavy rainfall. Children, now we are going to see about different types of clouds. The clouds are divided into 4 types: cirrus cloud, stratus cloud, cumulus cloud, nimbus cloud. What is cirrus cloud? Yes, these clouds appears like a silver grey fish at a very high altitude in the sky. These clouds may not give rain. Stratus cloud. They are grey in color and are spread out. These clouds may give small shower. Cumulus cloud. It looks like a burst cotton and gives conventional rainfall. These clouds are associated with rainfall, lightning, and thunder. Nimbus cloud. It appears as dark or grey in color. It gives heavy rainfall. It is called vertical or rain clouds. Now I am going to read fill in the blanks. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. The carbon dioxide is 0.03% in the atmosphere. The World Weather Day, March 23. The Indian Standard Meridian passes through the city of Allahabad. Zone located in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is Torrid Zone. Barometer is used to measure pressure in the air. Monsoon is derived from the Arabian word. Vertical cloud is called nimbus cloud. Cumulus clouds give convectional rainfall. The study about weather is called meteorology. The instrument used to measure is calorimeter. The imaginary lines drawn parallel to the surface of the earth is latitudes. Nimbus or rain clouds.